Welcome back to Kawasaki Bike, where we explore the fiercest machines on two wheels. Today, we dive into the thrilling world of the 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100, a naked sport bike that blurs the line between road and race, all while looking like pure aggression on wheels. Design and styling. The 2025 Tuono V4 1100 continues Aprilia's tradition of raw, muscular aesthetics. Sharp body lines, aggressive LED headlamps, and aerodynamic winglets create a visual presence that's both menacing and refined. It's a beast that looks ready to launch, even when parked. Engine and performance. At its heart lies a 1077 cubic centimeters V4 engine, delivering explosive power and a spine-tingling exhaust note. With 175 horsepower on tap, it rockets through gears with electrifying precision. The updated ride-by-wire throttle and refined fueling make the Tuono even more responsive, whether you're on twisties or straight-line blasts. Features and technology. Aprilia loads the Tuono with top-tier electronics. The latest APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control System offers multiple riding modes, wheelie control, traction control, and launch control, all customizable. A new 5-inch TFT display keeps everything crisp and user-friendly. Comfort and ergonomics. Despite its race-bred DNA, the Tuono remains surprisingly comfortable. The upright riding posture, improved seat cushioning, and slightly wider handlebars help reduce fatigue on longer rides. Its performance with a touch of practicality. Suspension and handling. Equipped with semi-active Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 suspension, the Tuono adapts to road conditions in real time. Cornering is razor-sharp, and stability is unwavering. Whether you're carving up canyon roads or pushing hard on a track, it feels planted and precise. Braking and safety. Top-spec Brembo styler calipers paired with dual 330mm discs provide incredible stopping power. Add to that cornering ABS, engine braking control, and cruise control, and you've got a machine that's as safe as it is savage. Fuel efficiency. For a leader-class V4, the Tuono manages fuel reasonably well. Expect around 35 miles per gallon, 15 kilometers per liter, under normal conditions, impressive for the level of performance it offers. It won't win any eco awards, but it won't drain your tank in minutes either. Conclusion. The 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 is a masterclass in power, technology, and Italian flair. It's a bike for riders who demand thrills without compromise. Here at Kawasaki Bike, we salute Aprilia for crafting a street fighter that feels like a superbike in disguise.